thing that I can share na medyo work-related is when the President saw me, he said, Joel, yung mga flood control, binito ko. Sabi ko, yes, Mr. President, I'm aware dun sa DPWH of the 26 billion pesos na vetoed by the President, 17 billion is part of the flood control. And he made mention, alam naman natin kung anong kahihinatnan, kaya ako sabi ko, yes, thank you, Mr. President. Kasi ito nga yung, di ba, yung maliliit, patse-patse na alam naman natin wala ring impact. But, of course, overall, ibang usapan naman, no? Yung budget, overall, yung flood control kasi, if you recall, and I think the President knows very well how I'm very interested and keen on monitoring the flood control programs of the government. From 1.44 billion last year, na ginagastos a day, it's down now to 1.30